Hey guys, it's Angelika back at it again with another video. Oh my god, may tao sila best.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Good morning, it's Angelika back at it again with another video. So for today's video, we are going to go somewhere. And you guys probably already know from the title or from the thumbnail, so let's go ahead with this video. Hey guys, we're already here and it's so cold. Oh my God.
Another one.
Hey guys, look, corn, no corn, cornless.
These are corn. These are always corn.
Cornless. Hey guys, look at all the sunflowers. We got this bunch for $10. I think it's $2 per stem. So we're currently gonna do the corn maze, and that's where we came from. That's where the station was. And guys, look at this corn! Corn! Okay, here starts our journey. We gonna be lost. And there's corn on the way. Going to the left, we're going to the right. Okay, since they're here, so we're going on the left. Wrong way, guys. It's a dead end. There's a flag. Hey guys, so it's currently 5:08 p.m. and we just got home. I know this vlog kind of don't make sense again, but so we did go to the outlet and I just got one thing and I got a new bag. This is the bigger version. It was originally $428. Oh my god, it was originally focus. There. It was originally $428, and then I paid like $115, so it was 70% plus 15% on top of it, so it was really cheap. I don't know why I bought a bag because I'm not gonna go to school. We're all distance learning, so I don't know why I bought one, but this is what it looks like. There's a compartment here and a big compartment here. And there's just a pocket over here, two of them, and there's a pocket at the back, and that's pretty much it. So yeah. And the other day we didn't go to the outlet, but I got a Michael Kors sunglasses, the one I was wearing earlier today. It was on sale. We bought it from TJ Maxx. I don't know how much it originally was, but it was like $23. So it should probably be like about probably original would be like $150. I got it for like $20. Okay, you could see my setup, but this is how it looks like. This is the one I was wearing earlier today, and you have to pay for the case separately, but the case was just $3, so I spent like less than $30 for the glasses. So anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Of course, like, the films aren't as complete because I'm using my phone to take a picture. I'm using my phone to vlog because I don't have a camera. So but anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. don't forget to like, share, and if you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. Bye!